Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a base LLM and a compatible embedding model so retrieval aligns with generation. Once chosen, prepare your corpus. Clean text, split into 500 to 1, 000 token chunks and attach metadata for provenance. Install essential libraries, transformers, an embeddings toolkit, and a vector store like Faius or Chroma. Then configure API keys and environment variables. Make sure to version data and code. This first set of actions gets you from nothing to an indexed dataset ready for embedding generation. Once the embeddings are computed, normalize and batch insert them into your chosen index so lookups are fast and consistent. Configure index parameters, IF or HNSW, balancing latency and recall, tune nlists or fsearch accordingly. Make the retriever return top K results and combine with a lexical scorer like BM25 for hybrid relevance. This reduces false positives. Then craft prompt templates that inject retrieved context with clear separators and source markers, so the LLM can condition answers on retrieve. You now integrate the retriever with the LLM. Format prompts to include top K snippets and instruct the model to cite sources. Tune generation settings, temperature, max tokens, and penalties, and add retry logic for timeouts. Deploy behind an API gateway with caching and metrics so you can monitor latency and error rates. Finally, evaluate on held out QA, iterate on chunk size and prompt wording, and log failures for targeted fixes. If outputs hallucinate, reduce context size, increase retrieval precision, and require source quotes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.